Hello guys and welcome to The No One, the only place on YouTube where you can find a silly number blocks tuber disguised as a gacha tuber to get more views. Okay, but this is not the point of the video. The point of the video is that I have 2,500 subscribers dabbing, okay? What does that mean? That means that I got the epic paper play button. Okay, so let's see. YouTube. This is the paper plate. It has the colors of number block 25, so at least that's something. Orange and blue. Okay. Congrats to The No One for passing 2,500 subs on the of 2020. I forgot to fill in the date here because I'm lazy. Okay. Wait. Let me just get this pen here so that we can fill in. So it's the what day is it? 8th. And the 8th of February. 8th of February of 2020. So yeah, bye.